Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. In the first line we have a name. You need to tap on it and now write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, you need to click Done to save this new name. And now you can go back or hide the settings. Because we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!